we have inequality 5x is greater than or equal 0. So when we have to solve this inequality, it means we have to find all possible values of x for which this inequality is true. Let me copy this first. We have 5x is greater than or equals 0. So because I have multiplication here, I divide both sides by 5. So 5 divided by 5, it will cancel, and I have x is greater than or equals 0 divided by 5 is 0. So I can draw number line x. I have 0, and because I have sign greater or equals, it means 0 is included, and because I have sign greater, it means going to the right side to positive infinity, and we have interval of the left side will be close, 0 to positive infinity. Now we can check if our solution is correct. I have to choose one number from this interval. I can choose 0 because 0 is included. So for x equals 0, I just copy first this inequality. 5x is greater than or equals 0. Now I replace x by 0. I have 5 times 0 is greater than equals 0. 5 times 0 is 0. So this is true. 0 is equal 0. So our solution is correct.